Welcome to Dash Camp Drama, where recklessness meets reality and the road erupts in pure chaos. From mind-blowing crashes to heart-stopping near misses, every clip is living proof that just one careless second behind the wheel can unleash total devastation. Buckle up, the madness starts now. We are witnessing a terrible-looking accident. The driver was driving while drowsy. Hopefully everyone in the car is okay. Be careful on the road. Why do you look so careless? Mistakes must be paid for. It was raining, the road was slippery, and it was a curve. The driver lost control of the steering wheel. Luckily, no one was injured. The camera recorded what we saw. The road was very slippery because of the snow. The car lost control. Luckily, no one was injured. What is he doing? Luckily, no one is there. It looks dangerous to others too. Hope he calms down. The multiple accidents on the highway damaged at least 6 cars, causing a traffic jam of more than 2K. Fortunately, no one was killed. I don't understand what the rickshaw driver's thinking. It's a one-way street and he's driving like that. I wonder if he has a driver's license. Dangerous intersection, but the driver still deliberately ran the red light, causing a very unfortunate accident. Hopefully no one was seriously injured. The accident happened when it was raining and slippery. Fortunately, there were no casualties. The incident in the clip is still being investigated by the police to clarify the cause. Wow, look, that was really dangerous. The student got into the truck's blind spot. Luckily, no one was injured. Why are mud trucks running on the road without safety equipment? Everyone has to avoid them. It's really dangerous. From the camera recording of a house, we can see that on the road, just a small mistake can put you and others in danger. Hopefully, no one is injured. The situation of a car sandwiched between two tractor trailers. In the blind spot of the two cars, it looked really dangerous. The car was speeding and lost control of the steering wheel and had an unfortunate accident. Hopefully, no one was seriously injured. This situation was so fast and unexpected, the motorcyclist still did not understand what was happening. You've just witnessed those chilling moments where fate twists without warning and brutal collisions carve unforgettable lessons into the asphalt. Let every scene remind you, safety is the only armor that never fails. Like, share, and subscribe because we're just getting started and the road still hides countless haunting stories waiting to be unveiled.